It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the West Loop on a large terrace of a penthouse apartment at the Arkadia apartment tower. Looking north, panning over the West Loop itself, looking out to the west. A block away from Ariano's here, close to everything. Panning around for a look at the new academic center at the University of Illinois Chicago, which is a short walk south of here. Great location. It's cold and windy, and I'm headed inside for a walk through the apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a split layout. Really nice size living dining area here. Sleek kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, quartz counters. There's a breakfast bar lip on the island. A tile backsplash, designer gooseneck faucet, 42-inch upper cabinets, contrasting espresso stained lower cabinets. It's going to be a great spot to watch Chicago's dazzling sunsets. Track lighting over the island. Stepping into a really generously sized master bedroom. Ceiling fan, floor-to-ceiling windows, the plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. It's a nice sized walk-in closet. And then the master bath. Veined marble tile on the floor. Body spray attachment in the tub shower. Wide vanity with a wide vanity mirror. Heading across the apartment to the second bedroom and the guest bath. It's a coat closet, and as you would have entered the unit, it's a laundry room. Full-size side-by-side washer dryer and shelving up above for storage. It's a great room. The guest bath is oversized. Finishes that match the ones in the master. Shelving is terrific for additional storage. And then again, in the tub surround, you have another body spray attachment. Heading toward the second bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Another ceiling fan, and another nice sized closet with double hanging. Arkadia has a terrific suite of amenities, some of which are in the process of being updated, but the building's only a few years old. You really have to come out and see Arkadia. Great location, very appealing layout on this penthouse. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.